Hello everyone, welcome back to the JavaScript Bootcamp. Today we are going to talk about what and why is JavaScript. So before we start coding in JavaScript, we must need to know what is JavaScript, why is JavaScript, and how we are gonna use the JavaScript, and as well as we need to know the future possibilities in JavaScript. So let's begin with our video today. So first of all, we need to know what is JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile high-level programming language. What does the versatile high-level programming language means? It means that in JavaScript, we do not need to handle the complex things. We do not need to handle the complex things manually. There are already have been set up some sort of pre-functions in JavaScript, so it will easily handle the complexities for us. And primarily, it is used for the client-side scripting in web development. And what is the client-side scripting? Don't afraid of these words. It will be get cleared with this sort of terminology in the future in this bootcamp. As an interpreted language, it enables interactive web pages and dynamic content by manipulating the document object model in real time. So what does this means? This means actually JavaScript makes our website dynamic. Or whether before JavaScript, the web pages used to be static. So there was like it was like a demonstration only, a sort of information that was demoed in the web. But when this concept of document object model DOM model was presented, it's become that we make our elements interactive, and we build some sort of objects that are interact according to the command we give to the JavaScript. And JavaScript supports asynchronous programming. So we talked about asynchronous before, and we will in future we will also talk in details about the asynchronous programming, allowing for non-blocking operators essential for tasks such as server communication and handling user events. So these means like JavaScript connects actually user to the client, and actually it handles all the requests that a user makes to happen it. So let's move on to our next slide, and let's talk about what is the role of JavaScript in web development. So in usually before JavaScript, HTML and CSS. HTML is basically a web page content which shows us all sort of contents we input in the hypertext markup language. And in as CSS designs and presents our HTML contents and all of that. But JavaScript are the work we make it happen. Like we make the objects work in some sort of way we want, or like we want to work them as we do. So JavaScript make it happen that a object can be actable or interactive. So what is the future with JavaScript? Why should you choose JavaScript actually? So as you can see, JavaScript is not just a language that is related in only web development. It is core of multiple languages, such as for front-end development in React, AngularJS, in React.js, AngularJS, and also Vue.js. Their core language is JavaScript. For the backend development, as you can see that the Node.js is also a JavaScript, is based on JavaScript as well. For the native mobile apps, you can say Ionic is also based on JavaScript, and native desktop app is the Electron, that is also based on JavaScript. So in if you know the JavaScript properly, and if you know how to implement in the best way of JavaScript, you know the core, then you can move your future according to your wish. So that's why I think JavaScript is a perfect language to learn for the futuristic and for the reliability, for the efficiency, and all of that. So JavaScript, there are a lot of versions in JavaScript. So the biggest ever update was JavaScript made in 2015, which is ES6. Actually, ES6 means ECMAScript. So now currently we are having the version of ES14, which was released on 2023. So furthermore will come, but during this boot camp we will move forward with the codes of the older version and also match the pace with the modern JavaScript as well, so that we don't get left off and we don't also forget about the core things that we need to know to connect with our modern JavaScript. Thanks everyone for being with me. I hope you will follow me and subscribe my channel and stay tuned with me until the whole bootcamp is finished. Thank you.